Hello guys, welcome back to another video from Behind the Clutter. In this video, I am going to make an emergency power bank with which you can charge your mobile phone using a normal 9-volt battery. And this is something that everyone should have with them. So in case of an emergency, it will be very useful. And it's also very cheap. It cost me around only 15 rupees to make this thing. And to make this circuit, first you will need an L7805 voltage regulator. Then you will need a USB type A female connector. You can either buy one of these or you can take one out from an old charger. And you will need a 9-volt battery connector. So here the first pin is our 9-volt voltage input, second pin is a common ground point, and the third pin is our regulated 5-volt voltage output. So let's make some adjustments to the voltage regulator legs so that we won't be needing any extra wires and we can connect it directly to the USB connector. And in this USB connector, this one is the positive pin and this one is the negative pin, and the other two are for data transfer. So let us first connect the negative pins together. After that, connect the 5-volt output pin from the voltage regulator to the positive pin of the USB connector. Now let us add our 9-volt battery connector to the circuit. First connect the negative terminal of the battery with the common ground pin of the voltage regulator. Then connect the positive terminal of the battery with the input pin of the voltage regulator. So our circuit is complete and this is how it looks. Now let's check and see if it's working. So before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon next to it so that you won't be missing any upcoming videos from my channel. So our circuit is working fine and the mobile is charging. Now let us make a case for this circuit. And here I am using this old toothpick case for making the housing. But you can use anything as you prefer. The opening present in this case is a little smaller to fit my USB connector. So let us mark our required dimensions and cut off the excess portion. Now let's cut out the portions that extrudes out while we put it inside a case. Now it fits perfectly inside this opening. Now let's do the same with the bottom portion also. Mark the required dimensions and cut it out. And let's hot glue everything so that it fits firmly inside and it will be durable. Now let's insert the bottom portion. Now you can insert the battery connector inside the case and take out whenever it is necessary and use it. Or you can just stick it on the bottom end of the case like I do in the video. You can also use this charger to charge your smartphones. But considering the large battery capacity of your smartphones, charging time will be much slower when compared to feature phones. And consider using this charger only in case of an emergency situation, because it's not a recommended method for frequent charging. So thank you all for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.